Oh, oh. Wow, that is so sweet. What's up, everyone? It's me, your Sulitri John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asian Diaries. A mega love shout out mga ka-Geromantics all over the world, and happiest New Year po sa inyong lahat. For today, we're back for a action video para sa inyong request ng Careless Whisper performance ni Jerome Ebardome together with his mom. Oh my God, it's a mom and son tandem for today's video. So excited tayo for this, but before proceed guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Ang cute.
Jerome, nasayaw. Ikaw kakanta.
Ang cute naman ng mommy ni Jerome. Game na game din. Diba? May pa-sexy dance. Oh, oh. Oh my God!
Sa TikTok yan, sa TikTok.
Game na game!
Tamang TikTok.
Wow! Oh my God! Jerome's mom can sing too. Sa kanya ba nagmana si Jerome? I think his dad can sing as well. Gumagano pa.
Pogi talaga ni Jerome, tsaka nanay, ganda.
Oh, diba? May vibrato din ang Mother Jerome natin. Oh, diba?
Yes, you can. Kiss, kiss, baby, can't go with him.
Tapos sasayawan ng mama niya. Ang cute!
Oh, yung nanay nasayaw.
Alam mo yun, sino nga ba yung gumaganyan-ganyan? Si Daniel Gumapak ba yun? Wow, that is so sweet. Grabe. Natural voice ang gamit ng Jerome. Sasayaw din ng Jerome. Kita niyo yung facial expression ni Jerome. Gulapa. Daniel Gulapa ba yun? Ay, yun na, nagiging Elvis na.
Wala, isa lang may nalobat na. Nalobat.
Ang ganda ng ng 10 notes ni Jerome, grabe. Sana mag-cover siya ng mga ganitong song, no? Yung talagang performance na hindi lang Elvis but his own vocal as well.
Florence in the sky, there's no comfort in the truth. There's all you'll find.
Oh, diba? Agawin na ng mami niya yung mic. Oh.
Dance again,
Hey!
guilty feet have got no rhythm. Though it's easy to pretend, I know you're never.
That is so cute! Guys, ano ba to? Christmas party ba to? Ng mga Geromantics?
Should've known better not to cheat a friend and waste the chance that I've been given.
Ang saya!
So I'm never gonna dance again the way I danced with you.
Ang cute! Eh! Oh, ganda nun ah. Stupid love pala. Ang cute, game na game din ang mudra ni Jerome. Ito na. Favorite part.
Tonight the music seems so loud. I wish that we could lose this crowd.
Wow!
It's better
Kuha-kuha niya yung husky vocal, no?
this way. We heard each other with the things we want to say.
Diba? Grabe yun.
Could have been so good together. Could have lived this days forever.
Yes! Ganun yun. Medyo humahagod na talaga yung huskiness.
Got no rhythm, goes easy to pretend. I know you're not a fool.
Grabe, in fairness, may vocal din si Mother.
Should've known better not to cheat a friend. And wasted chance that I've
Grabe yung nag-cellphone talaga harap na harap pa kay Jerome.
Dikit na kay Jerome. Yung ako nakukunin natin sa
Eh. Diba? Stupid! Stupid love pala. Ang saya. Ang kulit din ng mami niya, no? Very goofy. Yay! There you have it, guys. Oh my God, ang saya. Diba, Christmas party to, no? Grabe. There you have it, guys. That is Jerome Bardome with his mom singing Careless Whisper sa Christmas party ata to ng mga Jeromantics. Grabe, super saya, super goofy ng mom niya and very entertaining ang kanilang duet. Grabe yon. Kung sino po yung mga nandito, comment kayo, what was the experience celebrating a Christmas party with Jerome, diba? Grabe yun. And ano po ba ang mga gifts na binigay niya? At baka may iba pa siyang performance dyan na in-upload nyo, send me the link para ma-check natin. And kung may mga games kayo or may message sa Jerome, sa mga Jeromantics, i-upload nyo na yan at itag nyo ako para ma-reactan natin, mapanood natin ang kanyang mensahe or ang kasiyahan ninyo during Christmas party. And of course, kung nag-enjoy kayo sa ating reaction video for today, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.